Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for spending some time with me this morning. Just a quick unboxing. I have a couple of products that I purchased from the razor company, and let's get to it. So it's a few new to me soaps. These have been out for quite a while, I think. But here we go. It's a couple from Talbot Shaving. So we have this. I need to look up the actual pronunciation for the shave, but I haven't yet. Alahi Ridge. That's in Hawaii. We'll get to the scent and everything in the actual review, but it's okay. First impressions. I'm not going to say too much about it because with Orbit, when I opened up Orbit on the initial unboxing, the scent wasn't really strong either. It was actually very, very weak. But after lathering it twice off of this, it livened up. So I'm not going to say too much about the scent other than, for me, it's a little weak. There's something else I want to show you too. But Cades Cove, that's the second Talbot Shaving. These are my, I don't know if I held that straight or not. These are my first Talbot Shaving soaps. And really, really like the scent on this. But you'll see something different here. Inadvertently, I purchased a version 3 and a version 4 base from them. So this is the version 3, and then this is the version 4. And you can tell there's definitely a difference there. This is a bit more smoother of a pour than this. This is the version 4, like I said. This is more like a Declaration Grooming or Ariana and Evans type of pour. That's what it looks like, at least the soap. And this doesn't look, well, this may look like a little of Shannon's. It's really smooth though. It's a smooth pour as opposed to kind of like wrinkly. None of that means anything. It's just obviously different ingredients, or at least different amounts of each ingredient. So we have that Cades Cove as well for the aftershave. I didn't get the matching splash for this one, but in all honesty, that may be a good thing if I don't end up liking the scent. I really do like Cades Cove though. And then we have the shave stick, Leia, I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that, but shave stick, brand new. This actually has a pretty cool scent to it. I don't think it's anything above the standard soapy scent, but it's something I haven't smelled before. So it's a nice soap, clean, fresh scent. And then I got a couple of samples. So we have Hags. This is my first time. This will be my first time using Hags as well. This is Facelift, their Guinness base. I don't know if that is a new base that they have or what. The scent on this is actually really nice. I have no idea what it is. I don't know what the base notes are. But I really do like this scent as well. So, and last but not least, Jason threw in some Saponificio Veracino. This is the shower gel sample. He sent in, what is the, oh, this is also shower gel. And then what is this? This is a aftershave sample. So yeah, 3 samples from Saponificio Veracino, a Hags sample, again, I don't know, Leia stick, and yeah, 2 Talbot shaving soaps and a splash. So that's it. Just like I said, real quick unboxing. That's what's going to come. I may actually do 2 different base tests with the 5-3 challenge, with the V3 and with the V4, just see if there's any difference between the performance between the 2. Other than that, guys, hope you have a great day, and yeah, see you guys next time.